So today we're going to talk about the basics of logarithms and what they mean. So a logarithm is just an exponent. So if you understand that 5 squared is equal to 25, then you can understand the logarithm, okay? The logarithm, and we use log to simplify it so we don't write the whole word out, base 5 of 25 is equal to 2. Basically, when you see this, this says, what's the exponent that you take 5 to get 25? And the answer is 2 because 5 squared is 25. I will refer to this a lot. Every time you're having trouble understanding a logarithm, I'll say, remember, 5 squared is 25 because the log base 5 of 25 is 2. Or log base 5 of 25 is 2 because 5 squared is 25. So the first thing we're going to do is change things back and forth from exponential form, which is this, because it's written with an exponent, to log form, which is this, because it's written with a log, okay? So if I say that log base 2 of 8 equals 3, or if I tell you that log base 10 of x plus 5 is equal to 2, or log base e of x is equal to 4, and the last one, log base b of b to the third is equal to 3, I'm going to ask you to change those to exponential form. This is log form, so another way to write this would be 2 to the third power equals 8. The base is the number you take to the power. It's always equal to the exponent, and then the base to the exponent equals the number there that you're taking the log of. And this is true, 2 to the third equals 8. Now, you can't use your logic to figure this out. Like, you know that 2 to the third is equal to 8, so you could figure that out, figure out where things go because you know that. But here, there's an x, so you're not sure. You have to rely on what you know about logarithms. So we start with 10, that's your base, to this exponent, equals the thing that you're taking the log of, so x plus 5. And that's actually how we'll solve logarithmic equations later on. We'll change them from log form to exponential form. Okay, this one would mean that e to the fourth power is equal to x, and this one would mean b to the third power is equal to b to the third power. Okay, so that's changing from log form to exponential form. Okay, so guess what we're going to do next? We're going to go backwards. Okay, so let's say I tell you that 3 squared is equal to 9, that 5 to the third is equal to x, that a to the b equals c, and that b to the power of log base b of 5 is equal to 5. Okay, so if I change this back to log form, the number that you take to the power is your base. So log base 3 of your answer equals your exponent. Log base 5 of your answer is equal to the exponent. The log of something always equals the exponent. Okay, so this is log base a of c is equal to b. And this one is log base b of 5 is equal to your exponent, log base b of 5. So that's changing it from exponential form to log form.